Hello everyone. I would like to share with you some updates about my latest project, Desk Clock. I have added some new features that I will show you right now. Let's power it on, and yeah, you have seen already the first one. It vibrates in order to provide feedback. And yeah, one of my first concerns that I had when starting to work with these little guys here, I have read in several places that life cycle is estimated to be around 3,000 hours. Maybe this is wrong, but I have read this information in several places already. So I thought, why not to have it on only when I need it, and then the rest of the time it just stays this way, like here. So what I thought first, should I use some buttons? I don't like buttons, and I think it would make more complicated later the design, the final design for these. So I thought, let's make it touchless, and for that I thought, I don't want to reach the clock every time I want to know what time is it. So I thought kind of weird type of command, and it's just tapping. For that I added a microphone here, and this little guy will pick up the sounds, and this little guy will analyze what is happening out there. So if I tap twice, it will turn on, will show the time. 10 seconds should be enough to read, and then it goes back. Well, on the other side, you might say, okay, but 10 seconds is nothing. Okay, is everything all right? So we can tap 4 times, and there it is again. But now we have this little point here, and this indicates that we are in a new mode, and this mode says it will remain for 30 minutes in this state until I tap again 4 times or 2 times. So I will go with 2. So the point disappeared, and now we went back to the previous state, and then after 10 seconds it will switch off. Great. So next feature, weather. I would like to know what temperature I have in my room where I'm working, but also outside. And this was a problem because I didn't have any kind of sensor outside. I don't have any kind of weather station or so, but this little guy knows a lot of things since it's connected to internet. So I have implemented here the possibility of providing our location manually, and it will be get from online services the current temperature in our location. So let's say I want to know, just 1 second, I want to know, or let's say I'm located in Berlin, Germany. All right, so let's go back. And now, in order to know or to see this information, we just tap 3 times. And there it is, 11.7 and 21.5. So let's see if this somehow correlates to what Google says. So that would be for Berlin, and yeah, it's rounded up, but it looks good. And this is my room temperature here. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this new video. Oh, I just forgot, there are some mini new features, like for example, the display will show the time every 15 minutes, and it will vibrate the motor every time, for example, at 30s, and also when it's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and so on. But also when I get a new time zone here, let's say, let's go to, for example, I don't know, let's go to Buenos Aires. And let's see what time is it there. And let's go back to Germany. And let's see what time is it here. So that's it. Have a good night.